I've taken two more questions from the chapter probability. Now, what is the first question? It says the probability of guessing the correct answer to a certain question, and there's a to a certain question, is x over 12, and the probability of guessing the wrong answer is 3 over 4. Find x. Now, this is one particular question, and a student have two choices, like for it being correct or incorrect, right? For it being correct is x over 12 and wrong is 3 over 4. So we are going to use this idea. What do we know from the concepts of probability? That the sum of the probability of occurrence and non-occurrence of an event is 1. That means for happening and not happening, their sum is 1. So if I consider E to be the event, then we can say that probability of E plus not E is equal to 1. This is what we are going to apply here. So we can say that probability that it is correct is x over 12 and it is incorrect is 3 over 4. So we can say that their sum will be what? 1. So now we can get the value of x by transposing this number to the other side. So it's 1 minus 3 over 4. So this is x over 12 taking LCM. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 over 4. We can reduce it like 4 1 times, 4 3 times, and by cross multiplication, x comes out to be 3. This is what we have to find in the first part. Now, similarly, it has extended part also, this question I can see. So in the next part, it says if a student copies the answer, then the probability of the probability of he copying the answer is 2 by 3. And if he does not copy the answer, in that case, the probability is 2y over 3. So we have to find the value of y. Now, it is needless to say that we are going to use the same concept, that is the probability of occurrence and non-occurrence of an event is 1. Therefore, their sum will be 1. So I can say that 2 over 6 is what copying, and 2y over 3 is what? Not copying the answer. That is equal to 1. So here too, I'll transpose this number first. So 1 minus 2 over 6. Well, 2 over 6 is 1 over 3, right? I can write 1 over 3. It's better if I reduce it here only. So 2y over 3 is equal to what? 3 minus 1, that is 2 over 3. Now check here that this 3 and 3 get cancelled. So 2y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1. Y is not a probability, right? Y is a number. So probability can come as 1 but at the most, but in that case of a certain event. Here y is a value, a numeric value, and it's not a probability. All right, now we'll come to the next question, that is question number 2. It says the number is selected at random from first 50 natural numbers. So these are first 50 natural number 1, 2, 3, so on, like 48, 49, 50 being the last. Find the probability that it is a multiple of 3 and 4. Well, it can be confusing to a student where is or when to do how to deal with or and over here. So when we talk about or, it means multiple of 3 like these numbers, and multiple of 4 which is this, or could be the common multiples also. But here it is and, so we have to be careful that is and, that means it should be a common multiples, has to be a multiple of 3 and 4. So that means it should be a common multiple of 3 and 4, which is 12, right? Common multiple of 12. So it's a 12. Next is 24, 36, 48. I can say this one. Had it been or, would have taken the multiple of 3 as well as of 4. But this is and here. So the required probability, let's say if I take P, E should be how much? There are 4 such favorable out of 50. This can be reduced by 2 with 25. So the required answer should be 2 over 25 in this case.